Introduction. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, we'll talk about a very important act of worship that many overlook. Ghusl, the ritual purification in Islam. What is ghusl? When is it required? What are its rulings? And why is it so important for every adult Muslim? Let's dive in. First, definition of ghusl, linguistic and Islamic. Linguistically, in Arabic, ghusl means washing or pouring water over something. Islamically, Sharia definition, it is the act of washing the entire body with pure water, accompanied by the intention to remove the state of major ritual impurity, janabah, menstruation, etc. Second, the ruling of ghusl in Islam. Ghusl has two main rulings. 1. Obligatory, fard. It becomes mandatory in the following situations: after sexual intercourse or ejaculation, after menstruation and postpartum bleeding for women, after a wet dream if semen is discharged. Allah says, and if you are in a state of janabah, sexual impurity, then purify yourselves. Surah Al-Ma'idah 5:6. 2. Recommended, Sunnah. It is highly recommended for Friday prayers, Jumu'ah, the two Eid prayers, before entering Ihram or Makkah. Third, why is ghusl important? A condition for worship. Certain acts like prayer and tawaf are invalid without ghusl if a person is in a state of major impurity. Spiritual and physical purification. Islam emphasizes both inner and outer cleanliness. Ghusl symbolizes that balance. Following the Sunnah, the Prophet used to perform ghusl on Fridays and on special occasions, setting an example for the Ummah. Hygiene and social benefits. It maintains cleanliness and good manners in society. Fourth, how to perform ghusl. Properly complete, recommended. Ghusl, start with the intention, perform ablution, wudu, wash the head 3 times, then wash the entire body starting with the right side, then the left. Minimal, valid, ghusl. Simply ensure the entire body is washed with water while having the intention for purification. Conclusion. Ghusl is much more than physical cleanliness. It's an act of worship that maintains your spiritual state and ensures the validity of your daily acts of devotion. The Prophet said, purification is half of faith, so let's make sure we learn and practice ghusl correctly, fulfilling both our religious and personal obligations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more beneficial content. Wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.